Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a yearly reading for Libra for 2026. This is the general reading guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. In this reading we will see the overall energy for Libra for 2026. The key challenges, obstacles, guidance and probable outcome for your health, relationship, money, career, finances. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Libra. What's the overall energy we have for Libra for 2026? Okay, all right. Let's see what are the key challenges and obstacles. At the end, we will also take a guiding message for you, Libra. So please do stay till the end. Okay, now let's see. Please clarify Six of Swords as the obstacles for Libra. Please clarify Six of Swords as the obstacles for Libra. Please clarify Six of Swords as the obstacle for Libra. Please clarify Six of Swords as the obstacle for Libra. Okay. Please clarify Six of Swords as the obstacle for Libra. All right. Wow. Okay. Now let's see what's the guidance we have for you, Libra, for 2026. Okay, now please clarify Ace of Pentacles as the guidance for Libra. One more please. Ace of Pentacles as the guidance for Libra. One more please. Ace of Pentacles as guidance for Libra. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles as guidance for Libra. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles as guidance for Libra. Okay, 2 came. Okay, let's take 4. Alright, please help me with the probable outcome for Libra. What's the probable outcome for 2026 for Libra? What's the probable outcome we have for Libra for 2026? Okay. And we have one more. Alright. So bottom of the deck we have the 7 of Wands. So bottom of the deck energy basically Libra is the energies you are dealing with lately or your subconscious energies which you may or may not be considering, but it's somewhere running in your mind or at the back of your mind. Okay, so that is what the energy is. Now 7 of Wands here is showing that sometimes you need to show what you bring to the table. Okay, sometimes you have to be you need to defend yourself. You need to defend yourself maybe in your relationship. You need to express what is bothering you and what you have been dealing with, or how you are dealing with the situation in your workplace. You may have to showcase your work. Okay, it's basically showing what you are contributing. Okay, that is what the energy is. It is somewhere draining, it is somewhere tiring, and it is also frustrating to some extent. Okay, but you don't have to give up. It is a little bit of challenging situation, challenging energy around, but you don't have to give up. Okay, just keep doing what you are doing. And there is situation in around you where people are triggering you. Okay, people are trying to trigger you so that you react. Okay, but instead of reacting, focus on responding. Okay, that will add on to what you are doing. Okay, it will help you to defend yourself or to show what you contribute. Okay, that is the energy here I have for you, Libra. Now the overall energy for you 2026 in 2026 is, you might feel that things are not moving ahead. Okay, there is this energy of feeling stuck, and it can be in any area of your life. Maybe in your finances you are feeling that I want to I want to have this much of earning, I want to invest this much, I'm expecting this much of reward, but I am not getting it. And you are feeling that things are not moving, and it's somewhere it's stuck in your relationship. Maybe if you have any past experience or past trauma, so you are not able to move on from that connection, or from that issue, or from that trauma. And somewhere it's it's not letting it's like you are not releasing yourself from that connection. Okay, so if you want, you can set yourself free, but you are comfortable in this hanging situation. Okay, so you need to set yourself free. Okay, also when it comes to your health, you are, you're not, you're kind of neglecting your health, you're not taking good care of your health, and which is not good in the long run, right? So you need to just, come out of that stuck energy. Don't be in this energy of procrastination. Okay, don't say like, I'll do it from tomorrow, I'll do it from next month, I'll, if you are planning to go to the gym, you're saying, I'll do it from next week, then it's too cold, I'll do it from next Monday, I'll do it from next month. So it's like you are kind of delaying things. So don't delay. You need to come out of your comfort zone, you need to set yourself free and start taking action. Okay, so that is the energy I have for you, Libra, during the year. In your finances also, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि चीजें move on नहीं करी, so you need to understand where things are stuck, and what is that you can do to move, or to make a change, or to bring that change. Okay, what you're looking for. So you need to take action. You don't have to be in this hanging energy and being comfortable in this stuck energy. No, you have to come out of this stuck energy so that things can move, and you can move in your life. Okay, now the obstacle here is, as I said again, you need to move. अगर आप उसी एनर्जी, उसी लूप में रहोगे ना, जहाँ पे आपको, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न्स, रिवॉर्ड्स, रिकॉग्निशन, एप्रिसिएशन, लव, वार्मथ, केयर, कंसर्न, तो आप उसी एनर्जी में रह जाओगे. आप अपने लिए स्टैंड नहीं लोगे, आप अपने लिए कोई भी डिसीजन नहीं लोगे, तो आप उसी क्योटिक एनर्जी में रहोगे जो आपको स्टक रखेगा. ओके, सो फॉर यू द एक्शन इज टू मूव, बट इट इज अ चैलेंज बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सो easy for you to do, but that is what you need to do. Okay, sometimes you need to take stand for yourself. Okay, now I also see that you are somewhere, trying to create balance. Now here it can be, for example, if you're working in an organization for so long and now you're thinking like, I'm comfortable here, everything is being balanced, whatever I'm earning, I'm able to balance it so well. Why do I need to change my job? So you are being too comfortable in that stuck energy, and you are not moving from that energy. That is also I am getting. And whatever challenges you are, so it's like, I am familiar with the management of this organization, I am familiar with everything, so I, it's easy for me to deal, so I'm really not looking for a change. So that is kind of excuse which you might give to yourself. Okay, which is not good. If you really want to come out of your stuck energy and see that growth in your life, in your workplace, and in your finances, you need to take that step, you need to take that decision. Okay, I also see that during the year, when it comes to your health, you may have some kind of headaches because of the stress and overload of work, of relationships, of responsibilities. Once again, आपको ओवरलोड हो सकता है, ओवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, वर्क प्रेशर की वजह से थोड़ा आपको हेडेक का इशू आ सकता है ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू focus on not taking unnecessary stress. Okay, guidance for you here is to take the opportunities being presented to you. Okay, there is financial growth on your way, there is recognition coming for you, there are opportunities coming in for you, but you need to be ready to grab it. Okay, एज आई सेड, अगर आप अटके हुए हो किसी चीज में और आप स्टेप नहीं ले रहे हो, आप एक्शन नहीं ले रहे हो, सो दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी माइट गो. ओके, सो यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर फाइनेंसेस, हाउ यू कैन मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ योर फाइनेंसेस, हाउ कैन यू बेस्ट यूटिलाइज योर रिसोर्सेज, हाउ कैन you invest it in a proper way where you get the optimum results and rewards and returns. Okay, so आपको उस चीज पे भी ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. In your relationships also, I see that if you are single, there are very good chances somebody coming towards you with an offer, and it will be a very good connection. You will feel connected with that person, and also you might feel for a long term stability with this person. If you are single and ready for ready to get into a committed relationship, you can also end up into a marriage thing. Okay, during the year, I see for you, Libra. which will bring ultimately more financial stability, emotional stability, and it will make you feel that you have achieved, basically that energy of achieving things and grounded, right? Ki I am happy with what I am having, I am really happy with that, and having that gratefulness for what you are having. Also during the year I see that you need to, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ज़्यादा हो सकती है, वर्क प्रेशर हो सकता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकता है आप हैंडल कर रहे हो, उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा आपको टायरिंग फील हो सकता है, आप एग्जॉस्टेड फील कर सकते हो मेंटली, इमोशनली, फिजिकली, इन ऑल द वेज. सो ट्राई टू टेक सम रेस्ट, ट्राई टू प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग्स. ओके, टेक वन थिंग एट अ टाइम, don't take others responsibility on your shoulders. Okay, try to distribute. Okay, maybe in your workplace if you have a team, अगर आप distribute कर सकते हो अपने काम को, so you need to distribute your work, so to the respective, deserving person, to the team members, so that your workload gets reduced and you are balancing things in a proper way with proper strategies and planning. ऑल्सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर हेल्थ, एज आई सेड, वर्कलोड की वजह से थोड़ा स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ा हेडेक हो सकता है. ऑल्सो यू माइट फील सम काइंड ऑफ बैक पेन, बिकॉज जब हम मेंटली ओवरलोडेड होते हैं and we don't get enough support, our body shows that through back pain also. Okay, when you feel lack of support, you will feel that back pain. कभी ऑब्जर्व करना इस चीज को, इफ यू हैव नॉट डन इट. ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ योर बॉडी टेल्स यू दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सपोर्ट. ओके, इट कैन बी एन इमोशनल सपोर्ट, emotional support in your workplace, anything. Okay, so that is also the message I am getting here for you. I also see that you need to work on your emotions. Okay, अगर कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको emotionally drain कर रहा है and you are not able to express it, you need to express that. Okay, you need to release your freezed emotions. Okay, you need to connect with yourself and sorry, yeah, sorry. So you need to connect with yourself and understand. Okay, listen to your inner voice, connect with yourself and listen to your inner voice and understand what your emotions are trying to convey. Okay, so do some meditation. If you cannot do some meditation, at least spend some time with yourself. Okay, unnecessary आपको बाहर की दुनिया का शोर आपको हटा के आपको अपनी आवाज सुनिए. Okay, you need to listen to your inner voice. Okay, that is what also I am getting here for you. So जो भी आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, जो भी आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है अभी तक, okay, you need to just focus on the lesson from your experiences and use it for your own good. Okay, for your own growth. That is what also I'm getting here for you, Libra. Now the outcome here is, जो भी सिचुएशन से आप डील कर रहे हो ना, यू विल गेट सक्सेस इन इट. ओके, वट एवर यू आर डीलिंग विद, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट सक्सेस in it. I see that there is rewards. You are getting rewards, you are getting recognition, people are celebrating for you, there is some kind of celebration happening. As I said, for some of you, I see that you might also end up getting into marriage or long term connection coming in your life, somebody coming in your life with whom you will finally decide to get married, and there is some kind of celebration happening definitely for you. There's some kind of reunion or union happening where people are celebrating. Okay, there is joy, there is happiness, and there is a movement towards growth, towards future. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. Also I see whatever is not serving you, maybe the workplace, as I said, अगर आपको वहाँ recognition नहीं मिल रहा है, तो you are moving away from that and choosing what you are actually looking for, something maybe more adventurous, something which you are ready to explore something new. That is also I am getting. I also see that you might be getting different offers in your work. For when it comes to your work, even after getting success, there are different opportunities coming your way, and you need to be very mindful in grabbing which one is good for you. Okay, so proper analyze करते हुए situation को, चीज़ों को और उस organization के बारे में, even if it's come to your relationship, अगर some people are approaching you, and if you are not into a committed relationship and somebody is approaching you, you need to understand your emotions, you need to understand the vibe of the person. The person might be coming with a pure intention, pure emotions, pure love with you, but you may not connect with that person so emotionally, so you have to basically understand. You need to communicate with that person, okay, so that you can understand what the person is coming with. Okay, and then accordingly you have to decide. Okay, So you need to be very wise in your decision. Impulsively or immaturely decision mat lijiyega. You have to be very wise. Okay, as I said, use your knowledge, use your experiences, use your lessons, and accordingly you have to decide what is good for you. All right, now we'll take a guiding message here for you, Libra, for 2026. So we covered, all right, finances. There is growth coming in for you. There is stability coming in for you. Recognitions are coming your way. Rewards are coming your way. And when it comes to your health, focus on your focus on your lessons, and take that lesson and move on. If there is something which is making you feel stuck, you need to release it and let that energy change. Okay. And finances, yes, we discussed. Growth coming in, recognition coming in, rewards coming in, and health also we discussed. You need to थोड़ा सा stress overload की वजह से headache हो सकता है, so try to distribute your work and don't take everything at once. Try to prioritize and focus on the things accordingly. All right. Okay, let's see what's the guiding message we have for you, Libra. What is the guiding message we have for you? Okay. Oh, 2 came. Lord, take charge with authority. See, I was saying, right? You may be given some responsibility. You will have to take the charge. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पे, right? So आपको जहाँ पे भी जरूरत है, आपको वो lead लेने की जरूरत है, authority लेने की जरूरत है. Take care of your needs. All right. Take care of your needs. Needs में basically comes your health, your finances, everything, right? So don't stress over things. Take care of sorry. Don't stress over things. Take care of everything. प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग्स, स्ट्रैटेजी, प्लानिंग के साथ आप आगे बढ़िए. अपने वर्क में आप थोड़ा प्रॉपर प्लान करते हुए चीज़ों को आगे बढ़िए, एंड थिंग्स विल डेफिनेटली work in your favor. People will listen to you, okay, but you need to take that authority, you need to take that lead, you need to be ready to take that leadership role which is being offered to you or is being presented to you. Okay, so that is the energy I have for you, Libra. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.